Namaskara, Solmelu. Here is a sample project work that you can refer. You can write a project for 100 words or so. This specific example has around 140 words. Okay, this is a short story from a girl called Niyati Shetty, who was the student of Bale Tulu Paatherga class of 2023. This story is available in Bale Tulu Paatherga Egge Unji. Okay, the story in English. A farmer lived in the countryside. He had chicken, sheep, goat, and cows in his cattle shed. Bully was a little clever lamb who always liked to explore. She saw the green grass at the edge of the grazing field near the thick forest. Bully moved there and enjoyed eating the fresh grass. When Bully turned back, she saw a wolf following her. "I'm going to eat you," said the hungry wolf. Sensing the danger, clever Bully said, "Okay, I have an itch on my back. If you eat me, your entire body will start itching. Let me itch my back." Foolish wolf said, "Okay." Brave Bully started scratching the back with her head. The bell on her neck started making a loud noise. Bully's master came shouting and running with a stick and chased away the wolf. Bully went back home happily with the master. She was very careful after this incident. Okay, its translation in Tulu. Unji hallidu ori raite itte. Ayana kotyadu kori puri ఏడు బొక్క పెత్తలు ఇత్త. బుల్లి ಒಂಜಿ ಎಲ್ಯ ಕುರಿತ ಕಂಜಿ ಅಲೆಗು ಏಪಲ ಪೊಸ ಜಾಗನು ತೂಪುನು ಇಷ್ಟ. ಆಳು ಮೈದಾನದ ಅರೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಡದ ಬರಿಟ್ ಇತ್ತಿನ ಪಚ್ಚೆ ಪಜಿರಿನು ತುಯೋಲು. ಬುಳ್ಳಿ ಅಡೆಗು ಪೋದು ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಪಜಿರು ತಿನ್ನೊಂದು ಖುಷಿಯಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತಲು. ಬುಳ್ಳಿ ಪಿರ ತಿರುಗದು ತೂನಗ ಒಂಜಿ ಚೆನ್ನನಾಯಿ ಪಿರೌಡ್ ಬರುವಂದಿತ್ತಂಡು. ಯಾನ್ ಇತ್ತ ನಿನನು ತೆನ್ಪೆ ಬಡವು ಇತ್ತನ ಚೆನ್ನನಾಯಿ ಪಂಡು. ಆಪತ್ತನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯೊಂದು ಚುರುಕುದ ಬುಳ್ಳಿ ಪಂಡಲು, ಆವು ಎನ್ನ ಬೆರಿ ಕಿರ್ಮುಂದುಂಡು, ಎನನ್ ತಿಂದಂಡ ನಿನ್ನ ಇಡೀ ಮೇಯ್ ಕಿರ್ಮುಂಡು, ಎನ್ನ ಬೆರಿ ಕಿರ್ಮುನ್ವೆ. పెద్దే చెన్ననాయి ఆవు పండు. ధైರ್ಯದ ಬುಳ್ಳಿ ಅಲೆನ ದುಡಿಟ್ಟು ಜೋರುಡು ಬೆರಿ ಕಿರ್ಮರ ಸುರು ಮಲ್ತಳು. ಅಲೆನ ಕಂಟೆಳ್ಳಿ ಇತ್ತಿನ ಗಂಟೆ ಜೋರು ಶಬ್ದ ಮಲ್ತಂಡು. ಬುಳ್ಳಿನ ದನಿ ಜೋರು ಬೊಬ್ಬದಿ ಒಂಜಿ ದಂಟೆ ಪತೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ ಬತ್ತದು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಚೆನ್ನನಾಯಿನ ಗಿಡ್ತೆ. ಬುಳ್ಳಿ ಖುಷಿಟ್ಟು ದನಿನ ಒಟ್ಟುಗು ಇಲ್ಲಾಗು ಪೋಯಲು. ಅವೆಡ್ದು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಆಳು ಬಾರಿ ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ಇತ್ತಲು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಯುವರ್ assignment, your project work, and then read and record. Okay, please use this as a reference. If you need any help, please let us know. Nikilna dina eddayavadu. You have a great day.